Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Runaway Bay, and Runaway Bay is in St. Anne, Jamaica. So naturally, St. Anne is Runaway Bay is on the north coast. So you're going to find a lot of nice beaches, and then with the beaches you're going to find hotels, guest houses, Airbnb setups. So on the right is a restaurant called Sharky's. It's right on the beach. So St. Anne is a relatively small town, probably about 7,000 people, but it has some very large hotels. Hedonism had a hotel here once. Hedonism Runaway Bay, but I don't think it operates anymore. But it was a very large hotel. It's operated under another name now. I think it's Jewel. And Runaway Bay has two very famous beaches, Fisherman's Beach and I think Cardiff something Hotel Beach, or I don't remember the exact name, but those are two of the more popular beaches. And also you find there was a hotel. There are quite a few hotels in Runaway Bay because it's on the north coast, so you have the nice beaches. So there are a lot of hotels. You have Hart had a hotel here, which was a training where they would train Hart students for the hospitality industry. Beaches has a hotel in Runaway Bay, and there's another very popular hotel, but I don't remember the name. Okay, but Runaway Bay is also very famous for the Green Grata caves, which is I guess you have to be like an archaeologist to know, but a lot of tourists visit Green Grata caves. They have tours set up. It's very popular. And this is the town of Runaway Bay. This is the main road. It's actually the Northern Coastal Highway. I think the popular beach is Cardiff Hall Beach. If anybody knows the correct name for the beach, you can leave it in the section below. And Runaway Bay is probably about a 20-minute drive from Ocho. On the right are some villas. Okay, this is one of the beaches. It's now called Flavors Beach and Restaurant. On the right, let's turn this so you can get a better view. Oh no, you're not going to get a better view. Okay, there's also a very popular golf course in Runaway Bay. I think it's called the Runaway Bay Golf Course. It's associated with one of these hotels. That's it. We're approaching it on the left. Okay, it's called the Runaway Bay Garden. Oh, that's something different on the left. Basically, this is like a tourist town. Okay, the official name of the golf course is the Runaway Bay Golf Club. And that's it on the left. And this is basically a tourist town, so you have all the amenities that tourists want: the golf course, the gardens, the beaches, those kind of things. Okay, on the right now is the famous or popular hotel I was trying to remember the name of. Let's see what it's called now. There's no name out there. But you have some very nice all-inclusive hotels in Runaway Bay. Oh, FDR, that's the name of the hotel I was thinking of. A very nice kids hotel, FDR. And Beaches is also, well, they used to operate. I'm not sure if it still operates as a Beaches. Guys, if anybody knows what's going on with the Beaches Hotel, you can leave a message in the comment section. Okay, the other day now they talked about some major flooding in Runaway Bay, and this is the area that they showed on the TV where the trucks are. This entire area was flooded. Now you can see where the trucks are, that's where the drains are. But apparently the drains were blocked, so the water would run down and then back up here, and all of this area was flooded. You couldn't drive through it. It was flooded. Okay, on the left we just passed the Runaway Bay police station. Straight ahead on the left is a small plaza, has a supermarket and other stores in it. So when you're driving from Ocho to Montego Bay, you're going to go through the popular towns are probably Draxall, Runaway Bay, and then Draxall, St. Anne's Bay, which is the capital of St. Anne, and then you come to Runaway Bay, and then when you leave Runaway Bay you would go into Discovery Bay, and then after you pass Discovery Bay you get to Falmouth. So those are probably the major towns on the north coast. And when you're driving from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. Oh, straight ahead there, I think I'll tell you the name as we get close to it. That's another massive hotel, and there are a lot of villas down here. As we said, it's a tourist town. One is Ambiance Hotel. Okay, on the right you can see the hotel I was talking. It's huge. I think this is I'm going to tell you in a minute. I think it's the Bahia Principal. Okay, this hotel is, the Bahia Principal in Runaway Bay. Alright, so we're now driving out of Runaway Bay and heading towards Discovery Bay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.